These different gadgets, facilities are there. What is the purpose of this technological advancement, economical development? What is the purpose? Why do we want all these facilities, gadgets?
Happiness.
Happiness?
To make our life easier.
Yes? To make our life easier. Everything, whatever we are doing, ultimately, if you see, the crux of every activity, whatever position, whatever we are expecting, aspiring, ultimate objective of that is happiness, peace, right? But in spite of so much of development, why so much chaos in society? Why that peace is not there? Why that satisfaction is not there? What is the reason behind that?
So many desires.
So many desires?
Of course. Balancing.
Balancing, yes. Desires we cannot finish. Desire is going to be there. Balancing. Because we are not giving importance to this spiritual understanding. Understanding the self, we are not giving importance to that. And without understanding the self, we cannot manage the self. Like most of the time people talk about self-management. But without knowing the self, how can you manage the self? So through Bhagavad Gita, we are going to know all these things about ourselves, who we are exactly, right? There are basically 5 subject matters which is there in Bhagavad Gita, here and there. The focus will be on these 5 subject matters. And understanding these 5 subjects will help us to manage different aspects of our life. What are these 5 subjects? One is self, knowing the self. We will discuss in detail about our true identity, knowing the self, and knowing about God, the supreme controller, Ishvara, that is called. Ishvara and Jiva. Jiva is like all the living entities. We are living entities. And Ishvara, the supreme controller. And we will learn about Prakriti, nature, this material cosmos, how this material world is working. And we will learn about Kal, that is time factor. Yes. And the most important subject, which we all know about, when we speak about Bhagavad Gita, the first thing which comes in mind, that is of karma, law of karma, action. So we will learn about action, how to do it. So these 5 subject matters, when we understand, and also apart from, like, we will see so many subjects which is very much required to handle our day-to-day activities, especially the challenges we face in today's era. It is always there, but now it is increasing day by day. That is stress, anxiety,